Try out the various smart features available in the second row. Open and close the second row doors automatically with the power sliding door button. Keep items handy in the front seat back pockets. The built-in footrests let you sit back and relax in comfort. Add a storage box or cup holder by installing Kia AddGear on the rear of the center console. With the interior V2L power outlet, you can power your electronics on the go. Use the USB ports to charge and operate smaller devices. Adjust the temperature with the seat warmer button. While holding the lever underneath the seat pulled up. Fold the seat to lower the seat cushion and create a spacious cargo area. Reconfigure the space to make the most of it, your way.
Kia. Movement that inspires.